What's going on, guys? Steve here with Scotching Things. Whew, got a good one for you today. We think we'll use the XL. Okay, so I've been on the hunt for older striders. Doesn't mean I'm not buying new striders at the same time, but I found one older XL, and the guy was holding it for me, and then I got talking to another guy in the strider group, and he was like, ooh, that's the one I've really been wanting. And I was like, okay, cool. So I kind of passed on it so he could grab it, and then this showed up for sale. And there was one like this maybe a year and a half ago that I didn't go after, but it really kind of spoke to me. Older strider pouch. Ooh. Oh. An older XL. Strider. It's got the Yeti grind, which is a little different than this Yeti Tanto grind. It's got the bigger portion right here, but still Tanto grinds. A little different. So I picked this one up almost a year ago. And even though I wanted an XL with a more normal, I would say, with a nightmare grind without the recurve, when I saw this one in that black, I just had to get it. If you guys know when these came out, let me know, or what steel it is. I think some of these were done in 204P. He didn't know. I'll ask in the group. But it's older. I don't know the age of it, but it's got the flat performance or custom pivot, where the newer ones are domed. This is flat with my stub was similar to this, but in thermal. I should have kept that. Ooh, man, I am excited. I'm excited to know the age. Stop pins are a little different, so it's older, but it's not super old. See, it's still got the smaller stop pins, but they are a little different. But it doesn't have like older big stop pins. So this is old school, or would you call this medium school? Somewhere in the timeline from old school stuff to new school stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna post a picture in the Strider group and kind of get a date range, but definitely just a wicked looking knife. It just these giant Yetis, these big XLs with the Yeti grind, the nightmare grind, they just put a smile on my face. And it's funny, Dave just talked about it yesterday in his video, like, when are you willing to spend that money? And for me, it's something like this. This totally obscene, just outrageous knife. So yeah, still on the hunt for some older stuff. trying to slow down. Trying to slow down. I think this will tide me over for a while. That black is just good. Like I said, I've only seen one more like with the black for sale. Usually, sometimes it's thermal. I like the older ones. Like this is. See the difference in the clip. And this, I would guess, is just off the pivot, or not the pivot, but the pocket clip. And this part, like, would this be considered like a performance line custom? So I've seen older performance scales, kind of like this with the milling and the. But I don't know, still learning. There's so much with Strider to learn. I mean, so much. I'm not gonna talk a whole lot on this one, just gonna kind of show it. What a wicked knife. Cool, that's all I got, guys. Just another XL for the collection. But I am going to carry this one today, starting right now. I just love these knives. They're so big and obnoxious and comfortable. This one's still got the tip on it. My tip is kind of gone on this one. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.